When you're using groups or spaces, what you can also do is assign out tasks to individual members. And to do that, whenever you're using spaces or groups, you can see on the top, task is an option right here. So if I were to click on tasks right here, then the tasks pane open up. So over here, you can click on add space task right here. So once I click on this, what you can do is you can add a title to the task. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say something like do this note taking right here. So I'm just going to go around right here. So I'm just going to say note taking. You can also add in details if you want to right here. And you can assign out a due date for this particular task as well, and even set around the time right here. You can also go around and delete this out right here, just like this, but I'm just going to go around and select out a random time. So another thing that you can do is you can assign out individual members who are responsible for doing these tasks out. So if I were to click on assign, you can go around and you can see that you can assign this to a particular member, and now they will see this task right here, and they can check this off when the task is done and it says task completed, and it'll pop up over here. You can click this again to uncheck it out so that you can see it on the top. Similarly, you can go around, add in many tasks as you want. As you can see, you can check off right here and keep track of all of the things that you have to do. So you can go around over here, add the task right here, go around over here, add the task, and so forth. And you can edit this out whenever you want as well. And another thing that you can do is you can delete off the task right here by clicking on the bin icon over here and by clicking on delete, as you can see right here. And that is how you can work around with space tasks inside of Google Chat. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.